morning everyone and welcome to today's video. We are counting down the days of summer. September is soon. Got myself my pumpkin mug already out, okay? I couldn't resist. I was saving it till 1st of September and I thought this morning, no, I need to get the pumpkin mug out. So this is my favorite new mug for the season. It says Hello Pumpkin. I've literally just finished my coffee, but I just wanted to show you the mug. I got it from Next for like £8. Very good. Now, I was asked about my skincare routine, my current skincare, because someone very kindly said that my skin was really nice, and I'm like so happy, which just goes to show sometimes you have to take your own initiative. So take everything like what works for you, because I was using a prescription brand, I think it was called Dermatica, and it was tretinoin, and it came with a moisturizer and a cleanser. And this ruined my face. My skin has never been that bad. And I thought, you know what? I'm throwing this out the window. I'm going to stick with what I know, what works for me, bring it back down to basics, and have completely turned my skin around. And it's the best it's ever been. So really look at what products you have. Notice what you keep repurchasing. Notice what works with you. And don't think, oh, I'll try this, Stick with what works. Okay, I will get into it now because no one wants blabbering on, all right? First of all, Holy Grail makeup remover cleanser, always number one will be a balm for me. That is the only way I will take my makeup off each day. And I have loved the Hardie Moringa cleansing balm. I've loved it for years. You can watch my videos from 12 years ago to see that I was using it then. I absolutely love this. I love the smell of it. I love the way it removes all my makeup. You know, I know you've got all these people saying, oh, what do you want to spend on a cleanser for? It just goes down the drain. Well, it makes me feel really wonderful to use it. It really takes off all my makeup and I actually see a difference. I use this with a cleansing cloth. That's how I remove it. Now, when I don't use a cleansing cloth, I notice a difference in my skin. So whatever cleanser you're using, whether it's a balm or a cream cleanser, incorporate a cleansing cloth, a washcloth, a flannel, because that really helps with exfoliating. And when I don't use a flannel, you know, for a day or two, my skin just doesn't feel the same. It makes a huge difference. So cleansing balm for me, I use this at night to remove my makeup with my cleansing cloth, remove. Then I always do a second cleanse and obviously a cleanse in the morning. Now, this is what I've been using. This is the ISClinical. I have repurchased this several times. This is the time I've bought a big bottle of it. This for me works beautifully. It's got a resurfacing, clearing, deep cleansing complex, and someone like me who's oily and very thick skin, I need that exfoliation, but I need that gentle, continuous exfoliation. So for me, it doesn't really work to use a big harsh scrub once a week. I have to exfoliate every day, and this does it. It's got no granules in, it's just a clear cleanser. Again, it removes makeup, and most importantly, it removes sunscreen. Especially in the summer when we are wearing high factors or more sunscreen or reapplying more, skin tends to get more clogged. So you want to make sure whatever cleanser you're using removes that sunscreen, okay? Very important. So this is my second cleanse after the Hardie, and I also use this in the morning to cleanse my face, and I love it. Next up, I have a toner. I've repurchased this several times as well. This is the Epionce Purifying Toner. I like to use a toner as the last step of my cleanse because it just, for me, it just brings everything together. So I've taken my makeup off, I've cleansed with my face wash, and then I like to just go in with a toner just to really make sure my skin is nice and clean and ready for said product. So I use this morning and night. I also chop and change the Purifying Toner with my Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This is amazing. I use this every other night, and again, it's an exfoliant, but it's a gentle exfoliant. You really see a difference. I think if you've got acne prone skin, you want to avoid anything that's got scrub in it because that kind of aggravates and breaks the skin. You want to look for more liquid exfoliants. This is amazing. You can use this day, night, every day, however much you want. So if I'm having a bit of a spotty breakout, I will use this, you know, intermittently. But as it goes at the moment, I use it every other night. Unclogs pores, smooths even skin, it's lightweight and absorbs easily. I've really been enjoying this, and it has made a huge difference to my skin. So I chop and change between these. Well, I use this, if I do use this, it will be at night only, and I will use this in the morning. So, and if I don't use this one evening, it will be this. So I'll always have some sort of toner exfoliant to use. Then at night, I will always go for my daily moisturiser. It says daily, but I use it at night, and the Estee Lauder Night Repair. I don't use this every night. I use this when I feel like, you know, I need extra care. For example, I've done a whole face mask and cleanse and tone, and you know, I've been out in the sun maybe, or my skin's feeling a little bit drier, or more so in the winter. I love this. It's beautiful. It's a cult for a reason, and I absolutely love it. So that is what I use. When you know, you've got to think, okay, what does your skin need today? Does your skin need more hydration, more this? Is it sensitive? And kind of adapt your skincare to it. You don't have to just be, you know, regimental. Use what you need. Now, my favourite moisturiser, this is my second pot. This is the Skinceuticals Daily Moisture, lightweight, pore minimising moisturiser for normal oily skin. I absolutely love this. I'd finished this, and I was using the one I got from this Dermatica, and it was just like, my face was just, I couldn't bear it. I thought I would never get my face back to where it was. And I thought, you know what? When have I ever used a whole jar of face cream? I still have a Bobbi Brown one from years ago. And for me to finish a jar of face cream, and I thought to myself, I must love this. So I bought it again, and I do. I love it. For me, it's really, really lightweight. I don't feel like I'm clogging my skin. It goes on really nicely. It's got a slight pearlescence to it. It's so lightweight, you can put your sunscreen over it if you need to. It never clogs my pores. It's amazing, and I love it. I also use a hyaluronic acid. I use this in the morning. So every morning I use this, and then I go in with my sunscreen. This is the Hada Labos. It's not my favorite. It's great for summer because it's very lightweight. I prefer my Madara, was the Hydrolon Jelly, the Madara one, which I will repurchase once this is finished, but I'm just using this up for now. But most mornings I will use this. I've run out of eye cream, so I need to get that, but I will use this all over and around my eyes, and then I will go straight in with a sunscreen. So because I've got oily skin, I don't need, especially in the summer, the extra moisture. But this sunscreen here is the Supreme Screen Hydrating. So you can use this if you've got oily skin instead of a moisturiser. It will moisturise your skin as well. I really have been enjoying this. Of course, I love my Heliocare, and you can see I've finished this. I've gone through absolute tubes of this. I love it. Both of them for me are lightweight gel consistencies, but they're also moisturising. And the best thing about them obviously is they don't break you out. So I love to pair that with a hyaluronic acid. So if you are really oily, skip the moisturiser in the morning, use a hyaluronic acid and a sunscreen that's you can use as moisturiser. Do you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? And then at night use your moisturiser to just, you know, hydrate. But these do hydrate. This is amazing. This hydrating facial sunscreen is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And again, this one, it just feels absolutely moisturising, but it's a gel. Amazing. I have used both of these over this moisturiser if I'm feeling really dry, my skin's feeling tight, and it's been amazing. So again, think of the textures you're using. Look for textures, light textures, gel-like textures, things like that if you have oily, acne-prone skin, because you will feel much better using it, because it's all about how it feels as well to you. If something feels claggy and you're not going to like it on your skin, you're not going to like the feel. So go with the feel, the lightweight things, the gels. I know that Ultraviolet does a sunscreen serum, which is very popular. So that's a good one to try as well. If you maybe don't have a hyaluronic serum and you're just using a moisturiser and you want something, just a very light sunscreen, then that's a good one to look for as well. Now, once a week I go in with a mask, and I go in with this clarifying Skinceuticals Clarifying Clay Mask, Deep Pore Cleansing Skin Refining Mask. That's this one here. It's gorgeous, it smells amazing, it does the job. I love this. I typically use this on a Sunday night when I do my my big, this smells amazing. My big cleanse. So I use this every Sunday night. Again, if I'm breaking out, you know, I will use it when I'm breaking out. So I might have used this on a Sunday, I might use it again on a Wednesday. So it all depends. Sometimes I might not even need to use it, but once a week just to really clean out my pores. I really love this. And then, like I said, if I've used my mask, I've done my cleanse, my face wash, my mask, I will then go in with this, and you'll feel the difference, the way something goes on and sinks in, and you'll just wake up with beautiful, beautiful skin. Last night I used this, and oh, my face just looked lovely this morning, really glowy and clear and sort of smooth. That's another thing, if you've got skin like mine, it's the texture. So it's not just that your skin's oily and that you break out, it's texture, and you need these exfoliants to keep that texture away, just to keep the skin smooth. That's another thing with me. So I really like anything that is gently exfoliating and resurfacing, hence why I like the cleansing complex, because again, it's very gently resurfacing and you can feel the smoothness after you've washed your face. So there we go. That's my skincare, right? Really pared down, really basic. So I think if you are struggling with your skin, and you've been to dermatologists and you've tried all the high-end stuff, and you've been to, you know, estheticians and stuff like that, and things aren't working, if it's not working for you, then stop using it. I remember going to an aesthetic clinic, buying expensive Zoe, not all of the Zoe, it was one product from Zoe, and it made my skin worse. So again, always keep in mind what works and really pare it down. So the minute you start having issues, start eliminating things that you know you have issues with. Start paring it down to a basic moisturizer, basic cleanser, and just start off like that and just see. And it just goes to show you can actually trust in your own thoughts. Sometimes it's very easy to just want, you know, go somewhere and say, right, what shall I use? And find that it doesn't work. So I think it's very important to trust your own judgment, okay? So there we go. That's my updated skincare routine. I hope you're looking forward to more videos coming up. I'm so excited to share with you some fun things and have more lovely chats and do some lovely makeup and drink coffee. And I hope you're all having a wonderful week, and I shall chat to you soon. Bye.